thee." The dawn arrived softly, as if the sky itself wished to honor the moment. Pale gold light spilled across the Pride Lands, touching the garden with a gentle glow. Dew clung to every leaf, and the air carried the quiet promise of a beginning. Simba stood at the heart of the garden, surrounded by life, animals of every kind, gathered not in fear, not in silence, but in harmony. The garden was no longer hidden. Paths led to it from every corner of the land, worn not by conquest, but by care. Kiara stood beside her father, her gaze steady, her heart full. "It's different now," she said. "Not just alive, but shared." Simba smiled. "That is how it was always meant to be." Kion and the lion guard stood proudly nearby, watching young animals learn how to tend the soil, how to protect the water, how to move through the garden without harming it. Laughter mixed with birdsong, and the garden breathed easily. Rafiki stepped forward, tapping his staff gently against the ground. "Ah, the hidden paradise hides no more." Simba nodded, because it no longer needs to. He took a slow step forward, drawing the attention of all who had gathered. His voice was calm, steady, carried not by command, but by trust. "This garden once survived because it was protected by one," Simba said. "Today, it lives because it belongs to all." The animals listened closely. For generations, kings believed their duty was to guard the land alone. He continued, "The true strength is not holding something forever. It is knowing when to share its future." Simba turned to Kiara. "My daughter," he said softly, "you listened when others doubted. You healed when others feared. You led without asking to lead." Kiara's breath caught. "Father, the time has come," Simba said, resting his paw over hers, "for you to guide what comes next." A hush fell over the garden. "I entrust you with its care," Simba said. "Not as a secret to protect, but as a symbol to teach." Kiara lowered her head, overwhelmed but certain. "I promise to protect it. By helping others protect it too." The sun rose higher, light spilling across the leaves until the entire garden shimmered. Flowers opened fully. Water sparkled. Life surged in every corner. Kyan smiled proudly. "Thor feels peaceful," he said. "Like it knows." Simba laughed softly. "Because it does." All young animals stepped forward, placing their paws in the soil, mirroring Kiara's gentle movements. The future was learning already. Simba took a step back, watching Kiara move through the garden not as a queen, commanding, but as a guardian guiding. Rafiki leaned close, smiling. "A new era begins," Simba exhaled, the weight of years lifting from his shoulders. "The paradise lives on," he said quietly. "Not because it is hidden, but because it is loved." As the sun fully claimed the sky, the garden stood open, and a lever promise passed forward, rooted in trust. And in the golden morning light, the Pride Lands welcomed a future led not by fear, but by hope. Last episode.